Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to make this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and in this video I will show you how to make natural and realistic falling animation. And first of all, select this vector layer. And as you can see here, this very bad quality vector, but I will show you very easy solution. Select this layer and click this icon for quality vector. Okay, that's easy. Select this coin and let's enable title action save and move to up this layer. And right now let's press P and make new person keyframe and go to 10 keyframes. For shortcut you can use hold shift, press page down in keyboard, or let me show other way, click time duration, write +10 for go to 10 keyframes and click OK. Let's move to down layer and go to 3 keyframes. For go to frame by frame keyframes, use page down in keyboard 1 to 3. Let's move to up again, go to 3 keyframes 1 to 3, select first keyframe, copy paste and select keyframes, make easies or click F9. So this animation, okay, this is very simple. Let's make natural falling. Select keyframes and first let's right mouse, go to keyframe interpolation and change current settings to linear. Click OK. Then go to click this icon for open graph editor. Let's zoom in graph and select this first keyframe. Let's move to right and select this keyframe, move to right, and let's see. Okay, this is very natural. And back to keyframes, let's select these position keyframes, move to right, and let's select coin 1, hold shift, press S, and go to here. Let's create new scale keyframe, go to back, change scale 0, select scale keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Okay, so select these all position keyframes and let's scale keyframe, move to left. Nice. And go to first second, hold shift, press R, open rotation, make rotation keyframe and chain rotation -20. And go to here, change 10 and go to next keyframe. Let's change -5 and next keyframe change 2.5 and last keyframe change 0. Now let's move to left these keyframes and make keyframes easies. Let's see. Nice. So in this time, let's select this coin layer, go to first second and Ctrl D for duplicate. Let's see. Okay, select this coin 2, let's move to right. So in this time, select this coin 2, let's press P and go to last position keyframe. And in this time, select these all position keyframes and move to up. And move to right a little bit. Let's see. Nice, very good. So select this coin 2, let's Ctrl D for duplicate and move to right and press P, select position keyframes and go to last position keyframe and select all keyframes, move to up and move to left. Let's see. Nice. And we can select first position keyframes for coin 3 and move to down. Let's see. Nice. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.